Bones are essential structures in our bodies that provide support, protection, and movement. In this video, we'll explore why we need bones, their functions, and the different types of bones, bone tissue, and bone cells. The bones have 5 main functions: support, movement, protection, blood cell generation and maintenance, and storage. Support. Bones provide a rigid framework and support for other parts of the body, giving the body its defined shape. Movement. Bones work with muscles to enable movement by acting as levers and forming pivot points at joints. Protection. Bones protect vital organs, such as the rib cage protecting the heart and lungs, and the skull protecting the brain. Blood cell generation and maintenance. Bones produce different types of blood cells in the red marrow, which is part of the bone marrow. Storage. Bones store important minerals like calcium and phosphorus, as well as fat tissue and yellow marrow, which can be broken down and used for energy if needed. There are 5 types of bones in the human body, and they are categorized based on their shape and structure. Long bones, short bones, flat bones, irregular bones, sesamoid bones. Long bones. These bones are longer than they are wide and have a shaft and 2 ends. They are found in the arms, legs, fingers, and toes. Examples include the femur, humerus, ulna, radius, tibia, and fibula. Short bones. These bones are roughly equal in length and width and have a cube-like shape. They are found in the wrists and ankles. Examples include the carpals and tarsals. Flat bones. These bones are thin, flat, and often curved. They provide a large surface area for the attachment of muscles and protect internal organs. Examples include the skull bones, sternum, scapula, and ribs. Irregular bones. These bones have complex shapes that do not fit into any of the other categories. They are found in the spine, hips, and face. Examples include the vertebrae, sacrum, coccyx, and facial bones. Sesamoid bones. These bones are small and round, and they develop within tendons. They are found near joints, where they help to reduce friction and increase the leverage of muscles. Examples include the patella, kneecap, and the small bones in the hands and feet. There are 2 main types of bone tissue in the human body. Compact bone tissue. This is the hard, dense outer layer of bone tissue that forms the shafts of long bones and the outer layer of other bones. Compact bone tissue is made up of tightly packed layers of bone cells called osteons or Haversian systems, which are surrounded by a matrix of collagen fibers and minerals, such as calcium and phosphate. Spongy bone tissue. This is the porous, honeycomb-like inner layer of bone tissue that surrounds the bone marrow and is found in the ends of long bones and the inner layer of other bones. Spongy bone tissue is less dense than compact bone tissue and is made up of a network of bony struts called trabeculae, which are surrounded by bone cells and a matrix of collagen fibers and minerals. There are 4 main types of bone cells. Osteoblasts. These are bone-forming cells that synthesize and secrete the organic components of bone tissue, such as collagen and other proteins. Osteoblasts also play a role in mineralization of the bone tissue by regulating the deposition of calcium and other minerals. Osteocytes. These are mature bone cells that are embedded in the bone matrix and maintain the bone tissue by regulating mineral deposition and resorption. Osteocytes also communicate with other bone cells and respond to mechanical stress and other stimuli. Osteoclasts. These are large, multinucleated cells that are responsible for bone resorption or breakdown. Osteoclasts secrete enzymes and acids that dissolve the mineral component of the bone tissue and break down the organic matrix. Osteoprogenitor cells. These are stem cells that can differentiate into osteoblasts or osteocytes. They are located in the inner layer of the periosteum, the endosteum, and within the canals of compact bone. Bones are crucial structures in the human body that provide support, protection, and movement. They are composed of bone tissue, cartilage, tendons, and ligaments. There are 5 types of bones: long bones, short bones, flat bones, irregular bones, and sesamoid bones. Each bone has its own shape and function. The bones have 5 main functions: support, movement, protection, blood cell formation and maintenance, and storage of minerals. Bone cells include osteoblasts, osteocytes, osteoclasts, and bone-lining cells. 2 types of bone tissue are compact bone tissue and spongy bone tissue. Thank you for tuning in and watching our video. We hope you found it informative and enjoyed learning about the bones in the human body. This is just one part of a series of 5 videos, so be sure to subscribe to our channel to catch the rest of the series and not miss out on any valuable information. If you found this video helpful or enjoyable, please give it a thumbs up and let us know in the comments below. Your feedback helps us to create more content that you'll love. Thanks again for watching, and we look forward to sharing more knowledge with you in the future.